What's up, guys? Back with a unusual video. I'm having a garage sale. I'm getting rid of all my old speakers and some of the prototype speakers that I built. This is a set of them. I built this set because someone dared me to make a 7.1 set that would sound fairly decent for a very cheap price. And the yellow speakers on the bottom were only $25 for the pair, made by a company called Innovation something. And then the ones on the top are actually Pile PDMR4s, which are probably around 10-15 bucks a pair, 200 watts each. The yellow ones are 250 watts each, but I threw them in boxes and I made them. You can see that I didn't put any work into them, really just built the speaker and called it a day. But the reason I'm making this video today is that this Pioneer subwoofer here that you're looking at is a box that was bought from Best Buy. And of course everyone knows that Best Buy boxes are made in China and they're made like crap, and it's 5/8 MDF instead of being 3/4 MDF. They didn't use any screws. It was all glue. And he was going to throw away the subwoofer because he thought it was blown. And I explained to him that it wasn't blown. It was the actual enclosure that was crap. And I told him I would either build him a new one, for a specific price, or fix this one for 50 bucks. So I ended up fixing it, because this bottom half here was free floating and this here didn't exist. So this was flapping up and down, broken on either side. So I threw some adhesive all the way to the back, top here, top here, top here, and then I reinforced the center with this piece here all the way to the rear. Then I put screws in the sides to reinforce the sides, and screws in the bottom to reinforce the center bracket. Then I also did the entire interior with an adhesive that was airtight so that the airflow would stop leaking out of the sides, and it works just fine. Anyway, here we go, and Grizz, hope you enjoy it.